Hi, welcome to the fourth episode of Ask Your Preschool Coach. In this segment, I take up questions from preschool owners across India and answer them. Before I start, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of such questions which I've answered. Today's question is asked by Anita, who's the preschool owner of Budding Babies from Pune. She asks me, do I really think that preschools will open shortly? Now, how I look at this question is, there are two consequences, there are two options here. Number one, either the preschools will start offline education from the next academic batch, that is June-July 2021, or the second option is that preschools don't resume offline and we still have to continue with online preschooling for the next 6 months. Now, my comment here is, instead of talking about questions like whether the schools are going to open or not, the most important part that we need to think about is, are we doing enough marketing? So if we consider the number one option, which is preschools resume the physical classes, okay, from June-July. Now what we need to be prepared of is your preschool infrastructure really ready? Because after a break of almost 1 year, okay, after the lockdown, we'll have to do a lot of changes in terms of the infrastructure, okay, in terms of the safety measures, okay. So is your preschool infrastructure really ready to start your preschools offline? Second point that we need to look at is, do you have the required staff on board? In the last year, because of the pandemic, many teachers have lost their jobs and many preschool owners were forced to reduce their staff because of the financial crisis. So we need to look at, if in case the preschools are going to physically open up, are we prepared with enough staff which is on board? Is the staff well trained? So that's the point that you need to look at. Point number 3, do you have a marketing plan in place? Today we are in the month of March. We still have 3 months, okay, April, May, June, that is, we still have 90 days in hand. So is your marketing strategy well in place so that you collect enough inquiries in the next 3 months which get eventually converted into admissions? And point number 4 is that, what safety measures will you follow if in case the schools resume offline? Now, even if the schools resume offline, parents will be very much concerned in terms of the safety guidelines that you are following, okay. So you need to ensure whether the safety norms are in place. Is all your staff vaccinated? Is your school sanitized properly? Are you maintaining enough social distancing in the classroom? Okay, are all the kids wearing a mask? And so on and so forth. So these are the 4 points that you need to consider, assuming schools will resume from the month of June. Now let's look at the second option. The second option is, for the next 6 months, okay, for the first 6 months of the academic batch, preschools don't resume online. Preschools continue doing online sessions. Now, in this case, what you need to look at is, are you prepared with a plan B? Now, when I say plan B, what I mean is, you need to figure out 2 fee structures for your preschool. Fee structure A would be if in case the schools resume offline, and fee structure B will be in case the schools don't resume offline and we'll have to continue taking online lectures. Okay, so number 1 is, be prepared with 2 fee structures, because even if the schools resume online learning, I'm sure now the parents are very well prepared to enroll their child even if it's an online session. Okay, so you need to be prepared of both the fee structure, offline as well as online. Number 2 is that, have you or has your staff adapted to the new technology of online sessions? Okay, so last year when the pandemic suddenly hit us, the teachers had no option but to drastically shift from offline to online. teachers were not prepared, teachers were not trained. Okay, but now assuming the option 2, wherein preschools will continue doing online sessions for the next 6 months, you still have 2-3 months in hand wherein you can start training your teachers, you can start adapting new technology, okay, in terms of how easy you can deliver these sessions to the students for the next 6 months. So yes, to conclude this question, I would like to say that be prepared with both the consequences, whether the schools reopen physically or the schools don't reopen, and you'll have to continue online sessions for at least for the next 6 months or a year. So I hope I have answered this question which Anita had asked me, and I'll come up with another session on Ask Your Preschool, wherein I'll be taking many questions from preschool owners across India and give you answers on them. Before I leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you keep getting my updates on such question and answer sessions. Thank you.